You know, there are some parts here in Canberra that looks new, looks modern, and there are also some parts that looks like the old one. Yeah, this one is one of those new looking. I don't know the name of the place. Anong pangalan ito?
Kingston Foreshore.
This is Kingston Foreshore. Yeah, Jan and Charlene, they are going back to their house, and I am now heading to the airport. This is how it is. Less people this time. Red, almost yellow, or pink white something. Very beautiful. So yeah, I just check in. The mask is free. They have in the check-in counter. Yeah. Right near the beach. The people in Canberra, they said, oh, very beautiful in Nelson Bay.
Oh,
Yeah, they like it. Yo, and we are now back here in Newcastle. After 1 hour of flight, we are now here in Newcastle. And we are going to take the bus that side. I enjoyed the flight. It was a good experience. Yeah, only three chair in one row. So A, B, C. And then, if I'm not mistaken, a total of 14 or 16 chairs, seats. But it is actually the most painful. I mean, when you fly in the airplane, you feel something painful in the ears, both sides. I don't know why. Maybe that is because of the air pressure. But yeah, sometimes there's not as bad as that. Yeah, but despite it's really painful. Now it's normal. I don't feel any more pain. The next train going to Nelson Bay is within 1 hour. Yeah, I don't want to take the Uber because it will cost me 70. Oh, what is that? Actually, the Google Map is lying. Yeah, Google Map said the bus will be coming by 4:52, but the bus is actually just there. Yo, and we are now back here in Nelson Bay. And tomorrow, my duty is 5:30 in the morning. And John and Charlene, they are actually coming tomorrow. Yeah, so we're going to meet them again, and we'll be staying in Oak Pacific Blue Hotel for 1 night, and then they will go somewhere in Gold Coast. That trip would be their honeymoon. And I'm just cravings for instant noodles. That's why we are here. Instant noodles or ramens. Yeah. Actually, I don't like this one. I don't like this too. It's very spicy. Very tired. Okay, we're going to have this dish just $3. Oh, actually, not this one. We're going to get this one instead. Yeah, this is $4.40. Real beef pieces inside. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, at the moment I'm here in Oak Pacific Blue Hotel, and John and Sharon, they are there together with another group of, yeah, together with other friends. And my bike is here, and I'm going to check in this hotel. Yeah, I booked this hotel for them. Oh, they open now the restaurant. Before it was closed. Nice. I stayed here in 2017, and I stayed for 1 day before moving to my apartment. Yeah. And then the friends stays here also. And now John and Charlene and other friends. And going home is going to be like 15 to 20 minutes drive with this bike. Yeah, nice weather today actually. You see that? Yeah, blue sky, not too much windy, but actually it is cold. Cold when you are driving, but I think if you are just standing by, would be okay. You don't need a sweater or jacket. But every morning it's very cold. Oh, my car. He actually went to my workplace during my when I was working, and I met them. It is now 3:15, and yeah, there's so much mess. And yeah, I'm going to prepare my meal. This one. Actually, until now, I'm still feeling a little deaf. Yeah, I can't hear things clearly because of my flight yesterday. If you never experience flying, it's basically when it is going up and when it's going down, you feel the painful. You feel the pain in both ears. On my very first time, from when I was going to work in Dubai, yeah, I experienced that pain. It's very weird. I can't hear the things around. Yeah, but there are some flights that normal, no pain. Oh, it's okay, it's ready. I have some of this frozen vegetable. Also this all the ingredients included. And it actually comes with the meat. 100% Australian beef. 2 pieces. And while waiting, I am going to organize these things. Oh, let's just start in the kitchen. So I have this 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents. But I actually don't do that. Okay, this is it now. And I will be eating it in the computer. And not very clean yet. Still messy. I am now going back to meet John and Charlene in the hotel. And then we are going to watch the sunset in Shoal Bay or maybe in Little Beach. I actually needed to go home because I needed to do my laundry because I don't have apron and trouser for tomorrow. And so I have my apron, head cap, trouser, and my backpack. Oh, I'm going to leave the bike there. I hope no one is going to take that.
Hi guys, this is Nora Kim. You can follow me on Instagram.
GoPro ko dati. Nanakaw dyan yung GoPro ko. Sunset is there, not there yet. In the coming days, it will be there. Look at this. The big fish are here. Look at that. Just a lot. Hey, those people, they are fishing in there. It's a stingray. Go back. That's the sound it is.
Thank you for your hobby. Yeah.
And we are now here in Salamander Bay Shopping Center. The rest of the shops are closed already, but the grocery is still open. Also, Kmart is still open because it's still 6 o'clock. Yeah, you remember the last time? 8 o'clock, there is still the sun. I mean, 8 o'clock is the sunset.